So note on the screen, I have two rectangles, right? Both of them has the same area, right? One is a red rectangle and one is a blue rectangle, and they have the same area. Now I have the fraction 5 over 6 minus 4 over 5. Now what I am going to do, I am going to represent the fraction 5 over 6. So I need to divide this rectangle into 6 equal parts, because the denominator tells you how many equal parts you need. So let's begin. I have 2 already, so I'm going to just add 4 more to it. 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have 6 equal parts. Now the numerator tells me how many parts I need to shade, so I need to shade 5 parts out of the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have the fraction 5 over 6 represented on this rectangle. Now for this one, I am going to represent the fraction 4/5. First, I need 5 equal parts. 3, 4, 5. So here you can see that I have 5 equal parts, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I must shade 4 parts, right? So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So now I have 4 parts shaded out of the 5 equal parts. Now I'm going to combine both rectangles, right? So I'm going to combine both rectangles. Based on your observation, you can realize that the number of equal parts is now changed when I combine both fractions, right? So I now have a total amount of 30 equal parts. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 sixes is 30, right? Now the amount of red area that is shaded is going to be 25, right? As you can see, because if you count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5, that's just 25. Now the amount of blue part that is shaded is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 6, so 4 6 is 24, so that's just 24. Now the denominators are the same, so what you're going to do is to just simply subtract the numerator. So it's going to be 25 minus 24, which gives you 1 over 30, right? And 1 over 30 cannot be simplified because it is already in its lowest term. Now to the next problem, we have 4/5, so it means that we should divide this rectangle into 5 equal parts. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. Means that we should shade 4 parts out of the 5 equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the second fraction, we must have 2 equal parts. We already have 2 equal parts, so we just need to shade 1 part out of the 2 equal parts, right? That's it. Now we're going to combine both fractions. When we combine both fractions, you can clearly see that the number of equal parts has changed to now 10. We have 5 on this side and we have 5 on this side, right? Now the amount of red part that is now shaded is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 on this side and 4 on this side, that's 8. So it's 8 part out of 10. And the amount of blue part that is shaded is just 5 parts out of a total of 10. Note that both denominator are the same, both denominator are 10, so you keep the denominator and you just simply subtract the numerator. So it is 8 minus 5, which gives you 3. So your final answer is 3 over 10. So now we have the fraction 5 over 8 minus 1 over 5. Let's model this question. We need 8 equal parts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to shade 5 parts out of the 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I need to divide this rectangle, which is the blue one, into 5 equal parts. 3, 4, 5. Now I need to shade 1 part out of the 5. Now I need to combine the two rectangle. And what happens now is that I now have 40 equal parts. The amount of red part that is shaded is now 25 parts out of a total of 40, and the amount of blue area that is now shaded is now 8 parts out of 40. Both denominators are the same, so you keep the denominator of 40 and you simply subtract the numerator. So 25 minus 8 equals 17. So your final answer is 17 over 40 and you are finished. Right? And that's how you subtract two fractions using area model. Okay?